Okay, so today I'm going to be going ahead and talking about how to install Python directly from python.org. So let's go ahead and get started here. First thing I'm going to go ahead and do here, go ahead and open up a window. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that there. And I'm going to type in download Python. That. Python. We're gonna go with the latest and greatest. Copy link address, and I'm gonna do this as well. So sudo su c r in case I have another one. Git, I don't know. Git, and so I'm just gonna wget that right there. Right, it's wgetted, and tar, accept, Python, there, okay, and then right there, we went into that folder, right? So now what we're going to go ahead and do is, let's see if they have an auto gen. No, we're going to do configure, that, go ahead and finish there. Okay, finished. It says if you want to go ahead and get one of all the stable optimizations, PGO, etc., enable optimizations, please run this. You know what? We'll go ahead and run it and enable the optimizations. Okay, so finished right there now, right? So that went ahead and finished. So now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is it finished the configure, right? And it's got a make file in there, so that means it uses make. So I'm going to do make -j128 and make install. Okay, so it went ahead and finished installing there. It said it's successfully installed pip 22.3.0 and setup tools, right? So now you have the latest and greatest, right? So pip dash v. Let's see if we can do a pip check verified show. Oh, nope, that's not it. Pip check config search version capital V. Okay, 22.2.2. 22.3.2. Okay. So oh, my anaconda is active. I was like, what? So now if I do, okay, there you go. Well, that was it, right? Yeah, 22.3.1. Okay, so it looks like we're good to go. Now this one is saying it's coming from Python 3.10, right? So update. Let's see. I have a function here for Python reconfigure, right? Yeah, 311 here. User bin. Let's see where this one installed to. User Python path. Here we go. So what you do is go ahead and do this. Export. Right. Okay. SRE module mismatch. Okay, so we exported the Python version. Now we're gonna go ahead and I was like, why is this happening? And I realized we gotta do an update alternatives if they're running on Debian. So sudo update alternatives, install user bin Python. So right here, yeah, and one. So when you do update alternatives, this is saying just for the standard Python command. User bin Python. That one like that. And that one like that. Right. So if we do Python 3, we get the correct version. But if we do Python, we don't. Okay. So I have a function here that would help a lot with Python reconfigure. So the update alternatives is taken, but the Python reconfigure is, and I'm going to go ahead and choose number 13. Okay, and that changed it. And then I also have a Python 3 reconfig, and I'm going to go ahead and change this one to 5. Or actually to a 12. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now this one, user bin Python. This is usually a symlink. So usually, whenever you're going here into bin like that, right? You do an ls-l. Let's just do a rip grep for Python, right? You'll see that you look here. Oh, is it Python 3? See, it's going to etc alternatives. Okay. Python. So whenever it's symlink to alternatives, it's pretty much checking this right here. So if you want to go ahead and see that, it's etc alternatives Python 3, and it just linking right there, right? So we don't want that either, right? So what I'm gonna do is an lnsm Python. This is another way you configure it, because whenever you just check that user bin folder, this is all it's doing. User local bin Python 3, like that. So I'm just gonna do that. Alright. And the same thing with this one, right? And then you just do Python version. So there's a few ways you can do it, but that's how I did it, right? So now you can do As you can see, it takes it. So that's it. So PIP install upgrade. Okay, so yeah, 23.01. Okay, so yeah, now as you can see, we are running the latest version of Python here, and we dislinked it from the etc alternative, so it's running the full-fledged Python from python.org. So it's no longer relying on Debian, which is actually probably a lot better, uh, just for a lot of stuff. Honestly, I've noticed that the apt package repository sometimes it fights with itself, especially if you're on a rolling release, which I am. Sometimes you get problems. You have to do apt mark holds. But anyway, that's how you install Python. Hope you liked the video. If you do, like and subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee.